Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Boomy How To. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to search and replace special characters using a data process shape. And I will also be going over how to stringify a JSON for use in a form data request body that's being sent through a HTTP client connector or REST connector, right? So to start off, we can do the search and replace. You'll just have to escape the character you're trying to search and replace. You can do that with a slash like so. So for this case, to be able to stringify a JSON request body or a JSON body to add into another JSON body, we'd have to just escape the or add another slash in front of the double quotes here. So the text defined is going to be just a double quote, and we escape it so we can actually find it. And then the text to replace to with is going to be a double quote with a slash and then another slash to escape it. Right. The way form data works is we use a JSON, another JSON to actually form the request body. And it's going to look something like this. So this is going to be used to form the metadata and the actual body of the form data request. Here we have the actual value of the file or the data that we're going to be sending. And if we just send a JSON through here, it's going to fail with a unable to phrase it just because you can't just have another JSON in a JSON. It doesn't make it valid JSON. I can demonstrate that right now. So here I just have the actual request. You can see it's just a JSON. If I disconnect this, stringify, and test it, it fails, right? And if we look at the actual body of what's going into this convert JSON to MIME, we can see that it's just another JSON within it. If we reconnect our data process shape to search and replace those double quotes with the escape value and test it, it should work and should be able to actually form it into multi-part form data, which it did. So if we look here right before the data process shape, this is the JSON body that's going to be converted to form data. We can see that the double quotes have been escaped due to our stringify that we did in branch one. And if we look after the data process shape, which converts the JSON to MIME, we can see we get a multi-part form data message. And we have our full JSON body here as the message body. But that about does it. It's a pretty straightforward video. I wanted to just show you how to do that. But thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.